assembly this week. Here I am in FSU. It's been a lovely week. We've had Year R and Year 1 children, some of them coming in this week to join us, and it's been great to have more children coming into the school grounds. From Monday we're going to welcome Year 6, and if there's anyone in those key year groups that would like to come in, get your parents to ring the school to sign you up. Our value this month is perseverance. So we really want you all to persevere with what we're all going through at the moment and continue to work hard both in school and at home. And I'm going to look forward to seeing you next week when more of you are joining us. Thank you, and we'll see who's been nominated now from each of your class teachers.
Hi everyone, this week I have 2 nominations, both of which are from Year 3 in Hawthorn class. My first nomination is for Jack. Jack, you've been doing lots and lots of brilliant work at home with all different members of your family. I particularly love your creation of your monster that you did with just a little bit of help from that little brother of yours. So well done on that. It was lovely seeing the finished product in picture. My second nomination is for Layla, also in Hawthorn class. Layla, I know you've been trying really hard at home and doing lots of different bits with Mum. I particularly was impressed with your sentence work that you did and the lovely writing. So well done and keep up the great work. Take care everyone.
Hi Year 3, welcome to our next assembly. My nominations this week, I've actually got 2. The first one is for Jake. Well done Jake, you've been sending me lots of different pieces of work and it's been wonderful to see how hard you're working at home. Even term 6 has already got off to a cracking start, so keep up the good work. And my next nomination is for Harry. Harry has already filled an entire exercise book with all of the things he's been doing. I know he's been working hard at home with his mum and also with your dad as well. So keep up the good work everybody. Don't forget to send us your work in. I'm really excited to see your projects this term. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll get to see you before the summer starts. See you soon.
Hello everyone, this week I'd like to nominate Ella. She's been working really hard at home and putting in lots of effort, so well done Ella. I'd also like to say well done to quite a few people for their mathletics this week because they've got lots of certificates. So we've got Rudo, Poppy, Kimon and William. Well done to you 4. And everyone else, keep working hard and staying safe.
Hi everyone, so this week I would like to nominate Percy from Larch class. He has been doing some fantastic writing at home as well as some fantastic learning with his brother. I would also like to give a shout out to Ellis, who has also been doing some fantastic writing. Hope to see you all soon. Bye.
Hello everyone, I hope you've had an amazing half term and been enjoying the fantastic sunshine. My nomination for our special assembly this week are Enoch for all his hard work, completing all the tasks and for reading extra books as well. Very well done. And then Zach has also been working hard. He's doing all his work, completing all his tasks, and for Zach for his enthusiasm and positivity as well. Very well done, and well done to all those who have been working hard. For athletics, we have Lily AB with silver and a bronze, so very impressive Lily, very well done. And we also have Boy Pillow, Darcy and George E for bronze as well, so very impressive, keep going. For TT Rockstars, these children have been chasing the Year 5 and 6s on the leaderboard. In Year 3, we've got Rudo, Angel and Kimon. And Year 4, we have Enoch, Boy Pillow, Sam B and Zach. Very well done all of you. Keep going, keep up with the good work, and remember to send us your work. See you soon, stay safe, bye for now.
Hello
Hello, I hope that you are all enjoying the nice sunny weather and had a lovely half term. My nomination this week for Star of the Week for Cedar class goes to Sam. The reason why I'm nominating Sam is because he has given me an amazing folder full of human biology facts and quizzes for others to do. He's also completed lots of reading comprehensions, lots of maths, and he's even done a year 5 test paper. So really well done to you. And from athletics, I have one certificate to award, and that is a bronze certificate, and that is going to Kaylin Yu. So well done, keep up the good work. See you soon, bye.
Right, hello Juniper class, hope you're doing okay at home. Missing you lots and lots. Keep the work coming in, don't forget. I'd like to nominate Benji this week because he's brought in a wonderful book full of lots of writing, and it's great to see him improving while he's working at home. So well done Benji, and the rest of you, keep it up and send me your work. Hope to see you soon, bye.
Hi, it's the class. How are you all doing? I hope you've all been doing really well and that you've had an amazing half term. The person that I would like to nominate for this week's celebration assembly is our very own budding botanist, Millie. A few weeks ago, Millie planted some lettuce and other vegetables, and I know she's now reaping her reward. Well done, Millie. Keep sending your work in, and we can't wait to see you all again very soon. Bye.
Hi guys, I hope you had a really nice half term last week. The sunshine is gone, but never mind. My star of the week this week for Sycamore class is going to be Reese. He's one of our key worker children. He comes in every single day with a smile on his face and gets his work done, producing some really nice work. So well done Reese, keep up the good work, and I'll see you soon.
Hello everyone, hope you're safe and well. Looking forward to seeing lots of you on Monday. My star of the week this week goes to somebody who's done lots of online learning, has been on the Zoom calls pretty much every week, and did a really fantastic computer program. So well done, Bobby.
Hi guys, welcome to Poem of the Week. This week's poem is called Plant Your Spring Garden. 3 rows of peas, peace of mind, peace of heart, peace of soul. 3 rows of squash, squash indifference, squash hatred, squash bullying. 3 rows of lettuce, let us be kind, let us be compassionate, let us love one another, water with patience and cultivate with love.